This homeowner in Gladstone, New Jersey was having an issue with birds that were nesting on the small ledges by the joist on the outside of his home. So what we did was carefully remove all the nesting debris and then disinfect the entire area. Right now, we're installing Bird Slope. Bird Slope is a physical bird deterrent used to block birds from landing or nesting on open ledges. Bird Slope's unique angle design makes it impossible for birds to land or nest in 90-degree areas such as ledges, windowsills, or eaves, making it an effective bird deterrent against all nuisance birds.